Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make soya rice, soya chawal. I have taken rice over here, you can see. I have taken 1 kilo rice. This is Katarni rice. And I have taken some soya chunks. You can see the soya bean chunks. With this I am going to make soya rice today. And while making the recipe I will show you all the ingredients. So come on, first of all I will fry the potatoes. I have taken potatoes also cut up in this size. So I will fry this first. Put some oil to fry the potatoes. Now I will put in the potatoes. I have sliced up onions, about 3 onions. I have taken some bay leaves also. You can see bay leaves. And I have taken hara garam masala. All this I will use while making the soya rice, the soya chawal. Potatoes are fried up. Now I will take them out. Now in the same oil I will fry the onions. So first of all put the onions. Put in the bay leaves. Put in the khara garam masala. Let the onions fry till golden brown. Onions are fried up golden brown. You can see it. Now I will put in the tomatoes. Let this also fry little bit. The tomatoes. The tomato also is fried up. Now I will put in the soya chunks. You can see the soya chunks. I'll put them in. Let this also fry a bit. The soya chunks are fried up a bit. Now I will put in the fried potatoes. Put in some turmeric powder. Put some chili powder. Now I will put in the rice. I have already washed it and kept it. Now I will fry the rice along with the potatoes and the soya chunks. I have fried the rice along with the potato and the soya chunks. Now put in the salt. Mix it well. Now I will put in the water. With this measurement, I had taken the rice. This was 4 bowls of rice. Now double this, I'll take the water. That is 8 bowls of water. I have already put in the water. Now this will cook now. I have taken some green chili slitted. This also I will put in. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe. This soya rice will be very tasty to eat after it's cooked up. Most of the children, they like to eat this. Now I will cover it up. Let it cook till the water dries up. Friends, now I will see if the rice is cooked up or not. What is dried up, you can see. The rice also is cooked up. How nice and yummy the rice is looking. Even the potato also is cooked up. It's cooked up how nicely. How nice and yummy, delicious it's looking. You can see the soya chunks also. Soya chawal, soya rice is ready. Friends, this is soya chawal, soya rice is ready now to be eaten. If you want to put some coriander leaves, you can put. I did not put. Thank you for watching my video.